Hello, good day. Today we're gonna have an exercise on how to do a programming language in mobile. So first, we will train you how to connect blocks. This will be your training to have a knowledge in creating mobile applications. Okay, so we have here puzzle, we have here maze, the bird, the turtle, movie, pond, tutor, and pond. Okay, so we have here puzzle. So when you click puzzle, okay, so for each animal, the green, attach its picture. Choose its number of legs and make a stack of its traits. Okay, so for example, we have here the animal, then we have here the picture, then the traits. What are the traits of the animal? Okay, so let's begin. So we have here a snail, a duck, a bee, and a cat. A bee, like this, the duck, so we have a cat, snail. Okay, so what are the traits? How many legs of the bee? 2 legs, 0 legs, 2. The legs of the cat, 4. Then the honey, the traits, the shell for snail, the feathers, duck, the fur for the cat, slime, then we have here stinger, the whisker, beak. Check answer. So that's it. We're correct. And you do now the okay. Well, we have here the maze. It's 1 to 10. So we have here the move forward. Stack up a couple of move forward, okay, blocks together to help you reach the goal. Okay, so we have to stack up, then run the program. Okay, so the code is move forward, move forward. Okay, 2 lines of JavaScript. Okay, then next we have here move forward, turn left, then turn right. Move forward, turn left, then move forward, then right. Then another one, move forward. Okay, so we can do also move forward, move forward. We can stack up, move forward, but it is a repeating statement. So let's move, run. Okay, so move, solve this level 3 with 3 lines. While not done, move forward. Okay, so I think you can do the rest. So I will give you some of the descriptions below the video so that you can continue the blocky games. Okay, that's it.